I think the beauty of being an artist and recognizing yourself as that is understanding that you truly are a vessel and a funnel for the outside world. You know, you're literally walking through life collecting all these different stories, these different narratives, and you're supposed to process all of that and then be able to generate some type of communicative effort from that or just idea from that. This recent piece entitled Uniting Atlanta really is about simply just that. Once I kind of got my hands on the colors and the ideals behind the Unity kit, once I was able to see the red clay influence, this beautiful like peach color, of course, that represents the peach state, it told me like, okay, this was something that was supposed to be grounded to Atlanta. I think one of the most beautiful things about me working out in public is that I get to be in conversation with people. And in my personal opinion, I feel like that's how you close the gaps. You have honest conversation with people, because that's what people, they want to be heard. They want to be felt, they want to be understood. And with the support from American Family, I really appreciate just the fact that they're trying to like do their best to be a part of the conversation by highlighting initiatives that are already out here doing the work, that are, they're saying like, no, we believe in those dreamers. We believe in those dreamers and their dreams, and we want to push that forward as best as we possibly can. Because, you know, by doing that, you're allowing the people that are a part of that community to elevate themselves and to elevate others. And I just want people to recognize the potential that they already have, and that there's so much that can be gained from this moment if we're just willing to do the work.